Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your car refuses to shift smoothly. The gear lever feels off and no matter how much you try, shifting isn't as smooth as it should be. You scan for trouble codes and P0915 pops up. This code points to an issue with the gate select actuator circuit, which can lead to hard shifting or complete gear failure. In this video, I'll explain the causes, show you exactly where the sensor is located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0915? DTC P0915 means there's a problem with the gate select actuator circuit. This actuator is responsible for moving the gear selection mechanism when shifting gears. If it malfunctions, the transmission might not engage the correct gear or fail completely. Common symptoms of P0915: delayed or rough gear shifting, gear lever feels stiff or unresponsive, check engine light on, transmission warning light activated, car stuck in a specific gear or in limp mode. Sensor and component location, very important. Gate select actuator location. Mounted on the transmission housing close to the shift linkage, near the shift selector mechanism, inside or on the side of the transmission. Transmission Control Module TCM location, found near the battery, under the dashboard, or inside the transmission case. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the gate select actuator and the TCM, usually attached along the transmission casing, under the vehicle. Check your vehicle's service manual for the exact location of components. What causes P0915? Faulty gate select actuator. The actuator might not be moving correctly. Wiring or connector issues, broken or corroded wires can disrupt signals. Transmission Control Module TCM malfunction. A bad TCM can misinterpret gear shift signals. Blown fuse or relay power supply issues can affect actuator performance. Mechanical obstruction. Something blocking the actuator's movement inside the transmission. How to fix P0915. Step 1. Inspect wiring and connectors. Check for damaged or loose connections. Step 2. Test the gate. Select actuator. Use a diagnostic tool to check actuator response. Step 3. Check the Transmission Control Module TCM. Scan for additional error codes. Step 4. Replace faulty fuses or relays. Ensure a proper power supply. Step 5. Manually check the shift mechanism. Look for obstructions or mechanical damage. Step 6. Reset the system. Clear the code and test drive the car. Final words. Ignoring P0915 can lead to serious transmission problems. Fixing it early can prevent costly repairs. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0696. Cooling fan control circuit low, P0697. Sensor reference voltage circuit high. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.